Lunghar Springshed pilot projects become a beacon of hope for Manipur's water-scarce hill. The Springshed pilot projects in Lunghar village, Manipur aims to revive and conserve the natural springs in the region. Located in Ukhrul district, Lunghar village relies heavily on these springs for drinking water, agriculture and domestic use. Lunghar village is located north of Ukhrul in Ukhrul district, Manipur state, India. Lunghar village is very fertile and rich in vegetations and fruits. Attractions in the village areas include Chorcheng, which is a popular tourist site, and Tingloi Hills, which is just 25 kilometers from Ukhrul town. The project is a collaborative effort between the Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Government of Manipur and other organizations such as ACWADM, ICIMOT, PSI and SDC. The initiative focuses on the water forest supplying spring water to the villagers. During a recent visit by Ukhrul District Working Journalists Association, Ujwa, the Wada spring could be seen and heard tickling gently through the underbrush. A small compute measuring the discharge that 10 liters in every 24 seconds in the dry season. It's a stunning figure for a once barren source. Two trained local youths, known as Community Resource Person, CRPS, now manage the instrument and maintain records. Water is being filtered and piped into homes, freeing villagers, especially women, from their exhausting daily burden of water collections. Singlei Gazingmei, a teenage girl from the village, said,
"My name is Singlei Gazingmei and I live in Lunghar village. Since we live in hilly region of India, we face many difficulties regarding water supply. We used to fetch water in the early morning in the ponds, which is very far from our village and it is very difficult. Now it has improved a lot since 2024 with the help of Springshed pilot project under the Directorate of Environment and Climate Change." Thank you.
One of the CRP, Ihaureling, reflected on how the spring revival has triggered wider change. We used to have paddy fields and fish pond downhill, but the spring has dried. Now we can think of restarting them. It's not just about water, it's about livelihood and pride. Mataisang Lunghar Wo, headman of Lunghar village, expressed his deep gratitude to Dr. Braja Kumar, Director of Environment and Climate Change, for bringing this life-changing project to Lunghar.
Aiki ming Mataisang Gawe, Lunghar village ki headman ne, hujik aina lab liba mafam si weather area, Lunghar village ki weather ki source mafam ne. Ekhoi khunji han na di ishing si problem leiramde. Since 2000 dagi di ekhoi gi ishing si yam wat pa phange. Adu 2021 dagi Springshed department na under Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na intervention toruga ekhoi khunji pilot project model village ama sembagi hujik ekhoi gi ishing si yam improvement oye. Ekhoi gi source si kramaina chawkhat kera haibji sheme. Maramdi u yanba mai thaba sina ekhoi gi climate ki environmental threat oibagi tamakta ekhoi na kanna hotnare sida department na bajana yengraga ekhoi gi mateng bange plantation chu mateng bange fencing chu tawe aduga moina research toruga ekhoi da education pibagi ekhoi gi environment si kramain protect togera haibdu bajana realize toruga kanna hotnare since 2024 di result di ekhoi gi source ishing chu yam chawkhalle ishing phangsu yam nungaire masi oina ekhoi khunda hujik department na toribji yam success oye adugi ekhoi khungi tamak yam kanaba phangba gumna khun atai ju siki project shi toraga yam kanaba phanghanni maramdi ekhoi gi basic needs ishing ji yam nungaina phangba gumna ekhoi gi agriculture lobuk puru yam help oye adu environment ji protect toraga ekhoi na plantation chu toraga ekhoi gi environment ji sustainable develop oiningai kanna hotnai department chu yam thagachari especially ekhoi gi project director Dr. Braja Kumar bu chu yam thagachari mana ekhoi phun bi tamak yam mateng baba pangbage khunja loinamak ki on behalf ta thagachari. Thank you.
Kainamei Kamei project officers with the Environment and Climate Change Department explained.
Himalayan state da Himalayan region sida isingi
problem che adu yam thorok pa mainly spring set mainly niti ayoki report ko matung in 50% di or di dry up tawre ha ba report all di railway it singi shortage mayam je thorok pada ukhrul district ki hojiki Lunghar district ta wata ha ba spring set asida akoina pakhacha bani sahi ani hum pakhacha bada akoi je activities khara tawre intervention part chukra tawre then intervention part sida akoi ki social fencing khaktang yadabne na fencing achobo project ama su paikhali maramdi akoi ki vegetation then plantation mayam je fencing leitradi aduge grazing ground oirapa issue ama su leiba aduge fencing part chu kan lokhali then akoi ki plantation chu mainly local da yamna chanaba oak tree khun sida akoina pakhalakpa yaba then monitoring si tha kodinga zum tawba then intervention part scientific ki expert singa tanaraga water retention ki natraga check dam loose polder dam activities so phanayam paikhalaga leibani 2-3 years sanglapada asigi akoina impact study tawbada monitoring tawbada asigi discharge rate gi natraga magi leiriba position sida yengbada asi success oi nang si fawda akoina adum khantharaga leibani Lunghar gi village gi leader sing youth sing SARS ki organization women society adu ke mati active oi project ama pakhat pa che success oi bai se moi gi without their contribution akoi sungam ngamde adu villagers ki active participation sida si ki project success oi bane na lawi.
The Springshed pilot projects in Lunghar village is now a model for sustainable water management in the district and the state as a whole, promoting community-led conservation initiatives and ensuring a healthier environment for future generations. Report by Vils Diction, voiceover by Ringau Piningshen. This report is broadcast under the joint initiative of Media Resource Center MRC, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change DENCC, and Ukhrul District Working Journalists Association Ujwa.